Hey guys, and welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today I will show you a method to earn money on Uber without driving. Are you interested? So let's go to this method and I explain you how to do this, how to earn money without driving. You can make this very simple. So let's go.
But before we get into it, and if you're new here and you like videos about making money online and working from home, then go hit the subscription channel and that notification bell below to know when I post a new video.
Method what I start speaking is referral program from Uber company. They have good referral program to start earning money on referring a new driver to the company. If you refer new driver to this system and this driver will make couple of drives, you get some extra money from this referral person. And how it's working. So let's go to referral webpage from Uber company. And like you see, it's all information how it's working. But basic knowledge, what you need to know is to start earn money, you need to refer people to this Uber, like you see in the point number 1. And very important is to invite this person using your invite code, what you can find in your application. And I show you just a little later. Next point is you can track your friends' progress in the driving app, while also follow up with email to keep you posted on their status. So it's point number 2. So you see how many drives they will be make. If there is limit to make, for example, 15 drive to you get some extra money. You will be see how many they drives made. Once, zero, maybe they finish it all all required drives, so you can grab some money from Uber referral program. And next point is earn a reward if your friends complete a certain number of the trips and meets all other conditions. So like I spoke before, the required numbers of trips and for rewards amount vary by city. So for example, in my city, in Poland, in Wrocław, I got 200 Polish zloty. So it's a lot of money or not. We can check and convert to USD dollar. 200 Polish zloty to USD. So like you see, is $52 at the moment for one person. So it's depends of you. It's worth it for me. You can simply refer new drivers and get free money around $15 per one person. Of course, like I spoke before, like it's here in this description, rewards amount vary by city. So we can less than another city, or maybe we have more than another city. So you need check how it's look in your country, your city. And last point, after your friends complete the specific number of their trips and satisfies the requirements of the referral offer, you will see a reward added to your account, and it will appear in your statement the following week. So we have 4 steps. You referral person, check how this person going, grab your rewards, and you see this and you can pay out. To refer friends, you have a couple of steps. In this case, it's free. So very simple. Go to your driver app and tap menu icon. This is first step. Second step is tap earnings, invite and earn, and learn more. And you there see your code. And last step is tap select from contacts, then choose a contact and tap send invitation. Of course, you can share your code in social media. You can send it to your friends, not using this application from step number 3. But you can write some text, some marketing text about earning money on this driving in with Uber, like a taxi or like Uber Eats, and send this information to your friends, for example, in Facebook, on Twitter. You can share this information in your YouTube channel. Of course, I put my referral code in description, and if you want to use this referral code, you can find it in the description, or you should see it on the screen. Now we can switch to my phone, and I show you these 3 steps in my phone, how to find this code and how to send. Like you see, I'm on my basic Uber application to show you how to go to your Drive application. I put link to this application Uber Drive in description of this video. And simply way to start earning and start sharing is go to your Uber application if you doesn't have Uber Drive and select menu. From menu, you should see something like make money driving. So hit on this button. So now you see information, download the driver app. So you should push this button and you should be redirected to web page Uber. And this web page should be open App Store in my case because I have iPhone. If you have Android, you should be redirect to your Android market and download this application Uber Drive. If you have this application downloaded, you can go to this application and when you in this application now, you can go to menu, next earnings. Next step is scroll to down and you see a section with more ways to earn, and on the bottom is invite someone. Push on it and now it's loaded invitation section. And like you see on the top is my invitation code. When you want to somebody register to this application with your code, you need to send exactly this code what you will be have displayed from your application. In my case, you see what code it is. So if you want to use this code, you can simply use. Of course, like I said before, I put this code in the description of video, and you can simply send invitation like was in the description on the Uber webpage and send by send invitation button. And like you see, I have here some share option. So I can share with my messenger, WhatsApp, by text message, Facebook, mail. So it's a lot of option to share. So you need to select which share will be the best in your case. Next option is select from contacts. So it's a button below the send invitation. So you're pushing select from contacts, you'll see your contact list from your phone, and you can send this invitation by text message. Below this section, you see how many person joined to Uber driving by your invitation link. Like you see in my case, I have one pending, 1%, and like you see, this person needs to make 55 trips to be qualified to I get some extra money from this referral. And below you see section with person who doesn't qualified to this referral program. If you have some question about this topic, put this question in description. If you liked this video, hit subscription button and don't forget push notification bell to get notification about new video on my channel.
Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, enable notifications, and we will see you in the next one.